Alright guys, we finally made it out into the boat. Fucking been about 8 months I think since I've taken this old girl out, so no fishing today, but this is bloody beautiful. Why wouldn't you want to be out on the boat? Anyway, like the plan is for today, just going to take it out for a run. I've done a few improvements, like I've put a new and a few other little bits and pieces. It needs a really good vacuum and a clean. You know what, I can't wait to get out here. So I'm just going to give it a bash and see how we go. Give it a run, charge the batteries, and yeah, Thursday morning's looking like the day to go do a bit of fishing. So, but we'll see what the weather's like tomorrow. Anyway guys, going for a cruise. Just kind of tell it's been a long time. The voltage is only 13.9. Supposed to be 14.4 is what I used to run out last summer. Yeah, she's only got bloody little alternator on it too. It's only 18 amps I think. So yeah, it's going to take a little while to bloody get the battery back up and running again. So yeah, there we are. Just chucking it on the charger for the night. And buddy, give it a rejuvenation. This is like a 9-step or a 12-step charger. And yeah, it rejuvenates batteries, so that's what we're doing at the moment. Guys, we're just going to head down to the local hardware, go and get some M8 bolts, and I'm going to finish installing this seat. Right, here we are. Bye. Nah.
1528 card left?
Yeah.
Yeah, card, thank you.
Alright, we're back. Let's get on with it.
Sometimes it burns, sometimes it hurts when you say my name. thinking of hers. I don't wanna know, don't want you to go and leave me behind. No, I don't wanna see if it isn't me who's on your mind. 'Cause I don't know what you're looking for. Oh, and I don't know what to do. Hold back and let go. There is nothing more for me to show. You're hiding to breathe, running from me. Do you really wanna be in love?
Perfect. So the seat fucking doesn't work because it's got a piece of plastic shit on it, which I knew was going to fucking happen. Keep sliding off. But anyway, so I'll fuck around with that when I get back. But yeah, we're just out here at Coburn Sound. I'm going to go have a look around, see where I can and can't fish and all that sort of good shit. And have a little crack at bloody, I don't know, maybe some herring or tailor or whiting even, King George. I don't know if it's that right time of year, but anyway, that's what we're going to do. So yeah, welcome to Plan B.
I stared at your face, but it's not your tone. Saying oh hello, who are you to call me late in the night? She says, I just gotta say that it's here with me and not where he might be. 'Cause I don't know.
Yeah, boys and girls, we just caught a squid. Bit hard to film myself actually fishing. Yeah, I've left my cameras and stuff at home, so I'm just on the phone. But yeah, this is what we do. Anyway, let's try and catch some more. I think I might be on the one here. Look, or is it just pulling through the weed? Possibly. Let's pull her in and have a look. Yeah, it's just the weed. Anyway, I'll get back to it, and if I catch something else, I'll let you know. Righty crew, I think that's about it for fishing today. One squid in the bucket, that's about it. So anyway, I'm going to call it a day because my seat's still broken, it's not working properly. I'm going to go back and bug around with that, and yeah, I don't know what else we're going to get up to today. Stay tuned, we'll have a crack. Anyway, I'm going to clean this squid and yeah, get out of here. Not going to film it because I've got to have two hands and fucking, yeah, I only got my phone. So anyway, that's life.